CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines, page 6, part 17. We are studying the levels of E&M services, and this is a continuation, and it reads like this.
Any specifically identifiable procedure.
Which means?
Identify with a specific CPT code.
So if a procedure has a CPT code,
performed on or subsequent
to the
date of initial or subsequent EM evaluation and management services, should be reported separately.
So if there is another procedure done on the patient, subsequent, which means after the initial EMN services, and that procedure has a code, you have to report it separately. You can't include it on the first one. It's a different code. Okay? And just a little more explanation of what an E&M services are. You can read that information, extra information. Okay, that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So ready, set, go. CPT JJ-RVA, page 285, exercise 208, and this is a level 0 exercise, which means that is a very easy exercise, and it reads like
amniocentesis.
Amniocentesis, which means extraction of liquid from the amnion, right?
Yes.
From a pregnant mother, right?
Right.
The amnio is the liquid that surrounds the fetus.
Right.
And it reads like this: review.
Amniocentesis.
Amniocentesis. So all we're asking for you to do is just code the procedure of amniocentesis, okay? So we're gonna count to 3, so you can give us the code. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the code is 59000. Did you get that? If you got that, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. First tip. This is a level 0 problem, right? Why is it level 0?
Because it's easy to find.
Right, and then all you have to do is you have to start with amniocentesis. You go to the index of the procedure of the CPT book. There's an index and a tabular. Go to the index, and that's alphabetically ordered. You go to the A, amniocentesis, right? And if you get there, you're almost halfway done, because from there, it's very simple to finish that, okay? Tip number 2.
If there's nothing else, then it's automatically diagnostic.
Right. If the default for amniocentesis is diagnostic, which means that it is done to see what is wrong with the fetus or with the mom, to diagnose the condition, right? So this is the default. If they don't tell you what the amniocentesis is for, it's just diagnostic. That's the only thing that you have to know, and it's very, very obvious, right? Why are we doing amniocentesis? To see what's wrong, to see if there's anything wrong. That in medical terminology means diagnosis, to find the diagnosis, okay? So, and then we have links for the procedure, so you can see how the procedure is done. There are 5 links, so you can watch all those links and then have an exact idea of what this procedure is. And if you're further interested, there's a couple of more text links that you can read, right? So you have the problem, you have the tips, you have the links, and you have the answer. Now, what we're asking you to do is to give us the path, how we got to the code. Okay, so we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the path. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the path. This is the summary of the whole problem. It's very simple. The definition is the review section, and it just says find the CPT code for amniocentesis. There's only one code, right? And the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First we go to index.
Go to the index.
Then we go to A, that stands amniocentesis.
You go to the letter A and you find amniocentesis. After that, check
diagnostic.
Because we told you that if they don't tell you anything, the default, which means that the one that is usually done for, is for diagnosis, to find what's wrong with the mother or with the baby, right? So diagnostic, and then you see this code.
5 59000.
So that's the code that you find with amniocentesis with diagnostic, right? Now, all you have to do is just go to the tabular section and you're going to check that this is the right code. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First, you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to this code 59000.
So you start with the code 59000.
Amniocentesis diagnostic.
You read the text and it says amniocentesis diagnostic, which is exactly what we need, right? So that's why there's an equal sign at the end, which means that we have found the code. So the answer is 59000. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to visit our website and also to subscribe to our videos by just clicking in the subscribe button, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.